Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and it is such a beautiful day, and everyone is on the beach today. I'm not lying. I mean, everyone is on the beach, and I figured let's do a quick little beach day vlog. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my Patreons at patreon.com. It's because of them we can make fun videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. When it comes to my go-to beach, I always give my secret away in my videos. So I apologize if this beach gets more crowded after this, more crowded. I'm at 23rd Street and 22nd Street because you get right behind me Seaport Pier, and they've got bathrooms, they got food and all that jazz, and the water is just right here. And I mean, guys, maybe the camera can't really explain how busy it is, so I apologize in advance, but let me flip the camera around for you because it really is that busy. Now keep in mind that this is after the beach replenishment project. So you can see the beaches are way bigger than before. I mean, granted, they've always been bigger at this end, but the beaches all the way going north are as crowded as well. And on top of it being hot and beautiful out, the water temperature is perfect as well. So everyone is in the water, and I mean everyone's in the water. We're gonna walk down to the water for you and kind of zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So first, this is just kind of looking down the beach. And we're gonna zoom all the way in for you, okay? Yeah, there's a lot of folks in the water today. And this is looking south. Like I said before, it is packed out here. So yeah, you can see there's a lot of people out here. It is a packed day. You're probably saying, why am I wearing my long sleeves? Is the water cold? What's going on here? Few things. I'm sunburned. That's why I got my long sleeves on today. And the water temperature. Someone told me it was 75 today, and I kind of believe them. I mean, I'm standing in the water right now. It feels fantastic. That's probably why so many people are on the water at this very moment. And today's a fun beach day for me because I have my godson with me, and he's having a blast. Although it looks like he's crying right now. Are you in? Yeah? Are you having a good time? Yeah, there we go. You're getting wet, huh? Theo? You having a good time? Oh, come on. Give me a smile. Yeah. You're not liking it, bud? It feels good, though. Come on. Hey, you look at that little crabby there? Yeah. Woo! What? You want that one, too? You got it. You got it. There you go, Theo. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just a fun uncle or the funkle. I'm fun like that. That being said, it being 75 degrees in the water, I am going for a swim, so this is going off. And if you want to come on, let's go for a swim. Let's go for a swim. Now's the time to get in the water because if it gets too cloudy and you're in the water, it's a little chilly. So we're going to watch out for the boogie boarders and make our way in. Someone's toy. Someone's toy. Are you sure, guys? Is them? You guys lose a toy? Now if you remember the drill, guys, you just run in and dive. You run in and just dive right in. That way, it's not that cold. And then you don't feel it. So let's run and dive. Woo-hoo! Not bad. Not bad at all. Now you're not cold. Now you're good. Now you're good. Got some decent sized waves. It's perfect for boogie boarding and wave surfing. You know, body surf, belly surf, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, it just swallowed a lot of salt. Very salty. For some reason, the ocean's very salty. So you'll see them. Camera probably can't even show you how big they're getting. It's getting pretty big. The big one coming over here. Look at that wave! Look at that wave! Woohoo! I told you they're getting big. That water got so rough. I don't know what happened. It got to the point where the lifeguards started pulling in people because they're just getting a little too rough. But we're still having a great time on the beach. I don't know if anyone realizes that, like, when I swim for like an hour to 2 hours, and so that was a long time out there. It just got really rough at the end. It was really good though.
We got the merch too.
Hi, summer 2024. What's up?
Oh, and there we go, guys. It is now 5 o'clock. Funny enough, though, even though some people have left, it is still packed out here. That we're heading for the day. I got work and things I gotta do. But I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which we're on right now. I'll see you guys later. Stay safe. Bye.